and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to clear your cache. To start off, if you're in any kind of package or have anything open that needs to be saved, do that first. Once we've saved everything that we need, we can go to the top right-hand corner of your screen with the 3 vertical dots and go down to Settings. Now that another window has opened, we typically suggest closing all Director's Print Suite windows to ensure that nothing will hang up clearing the cache. From there, we'll scroll down into the Advanced options and go to Clear Browsing Data. You'll want to make sure that you're in the Advanced options. Time range is set to all time, and we're going to select Cookies and Other Site Data, Cached Images and Files, and Hosted App Data. Once you've had these selected and you've deselected the others, hit Clear Data.